Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and where to turn off touch sensitivity function in Samsung Galaxy A55. By default, this option is turned off. But if it's on and we want to turn it off, from the beginning, we need to go to Settings, then in Display Options menu, when we scroll down, we have our touch sensitivity. As you can see, it's turned on. So what does it do exactly? From short explanation under this option, we can read increase the touch sensitivity of the screen for use with screen protectors. So this option boosts our sensitivity when we are using screen protector. We can turn it off from here, and that's basically it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye!